Okay, our daily 5 factorising day 14. By now you should be getting much quicker at identifying the process to use and how you are going to apply that process. You should be noticing your speed is improving and you should be becoming more confident with each of the skills. So looking at the first one, we've got 5x plus 15. They have a common factor of 5, so we can write 5 outside of x plus 3. The second one, we're using our grouping. These two have a common factor of a, so we have b plus c goes in the bracket. Then the second two have a common factor of d, so we put the b plus c in the second bracket. And then we can see that they have that common bracket of b plus c, and so in our second bracket here we can put a plus d. Here we've got a difference of two squares, so we can write that as x squared minus 3y squared. So we can use our difference of two squares pattern and write x minus 3y and x plus 3y. Then we've got a monic quadratic because we have our a equals 1, b equals 19, c equals 90. So our ac equals 90, and our b is equal to 19. So we're looking for two numbers that will multiply to give 90 but add to give 19. So 10 and 9 will work there. Because it's a monic quadratic, we've got that a equals 1. That means we're able to write our x plus 10 and our x plus 9 straight into those brackets. The next one we've got is a non-monic because our a is equal to 2, our b equals negative 5, our c is equal to 3. So our ac is equal to 6, our b is equal to negative 5. So we're looking for two numbers that will multiply to give 6 but add to give negative 5. Because we're multiplying to give a positive but adding to give a negative, we need two negative numbers. So if we use negative 3 and negative 2, negative 3 times negative 2 will give us positive 6, and negative 3 plus negative 2 will give us negative 5. Now we need to replace our negative 5y with negative 3y and negative 2y, or we could have had them in the other order. So 2y squared, take 3y, take 2y plus 3. We'll look at the first two terms just like we did in the second question up here and look for a common factor. So that's the y, outside of 2y take 3. Now here we've got take away 2y plus 3. So if we take a 1 as our common factor, that'll leave us with a positive 2y because negative 1 times 2y gives us negative 2y. And then that will mean we have a negative 3 there because negative 1 times negative 3 gives us a positive 3. That means we're able to take out that common bracket of 2y minus 3 and put it at the front. And then our y minus 1 will go in the second bracket.